Hey, it's Evelyn here, a pro trader with over 8 years of experience. So I recently did a trading session with this trading bot, but to be honest, it was kinda a flop. Curious about what went wrong? Head over to my Telegram channel for all the details of the last trade. Link is in the description and the first pinned message. But my followers suggested giving the bot another shot. They think maybe I wasn't using it quite right. Like I was giving it too strict instructions, setting too many limits. Guess that's just a professional habit of mine. Because I don't only trade on my own, but also teach anyone interested in trading for free, right there on my Telegram channel. So today I'm not giving the bot any specific directions. Let's see what it decides on its own. Who knows, maybe this bot will teach me something new. Let's find out if a bot can out-trade a pro trader. Ready? Let's get it started. I'll start us off, then hand it over to the bot. We're looking at the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Here, the price seems to be dipping, approaching a local support level where it should bounce back. This means it's time to go long, opening a trade with $100. What a great start! Let's keep it moving. Switching up to the euro and Swiss franc. We made a profit on that first trade, so let's up the investment. Looking at the chart now, I see a downward trend. The MACD indicator confirms my thoughts, with the signal line above the MACD green line indicating a strong downtrend. So I'm betting on a drop. Nailed it, Evelyn! Bravo! Let's keep going up to $300. By the way, I just taught some new followers on Telegram how to trade with just a $5 deposit on short time frames. Remember my Telegram? It's more than a blog now. It's a whole community for traders. Every day I share my trades for free, entry and exit points. It's perfect for those valuing their time and wanting to make regularly and sustainably without delving deep into trading. They can just copy my moves and see the same results. Where else can you find that? Only on my Telegram channel. Subscribe using the link in the description and the first pinned message. Moving to the third currency pair. Analyzing the charts here is pretty straightforward. The chart is trending downwards. The indicator signals a strong downward trend. That's a clear sign to invest in a drop. And that's spot on, but I can make more. Switching to the euro-franc pair. Here we see the chart takes a dip, touches the support level and starts to climb. If we also look at the long green candle, it shows the buyer's strong resistance pushing the price up. This is the optimal point for a call option. That's what I'm talking about. Another profit. Let's change the currency pair again, and I'll set a new amount at $500. Looking at the chart, we're seeing a strong downward trend. For now, I see no signs of change. The MACD indicator also signals the continuation of the downward trend. This means I can confidently invest in a drop. Simply fantastic! 5 trades, 5 right calls, and my balance is up by $1,380. That's what I call top-notch chart analysis. Catch all my best trades and top life hacks on my Telegram. The links still in the description and the first pinned message. Now let's see how accurate our trading bot's forecasts are. Stay tuned for updates. Before starting the experiment, I decided to withdraw my money, leaving just as much as I had before my own trading session without the bot. I'm still not ready to trust the bot with a large sum. This time, I won't be setting any indicators. Let the bot think for me, and I'll just follow its signals. If we win, I'll also raise the bet by $100. So let's get to it. For our first currency pair, the New Zealand dollar and the Japanese yen, we're asking the bot for a signal. And we got a response: to invest in a drop. Yes, there's our first profit. The bot was right, and now my balance is $1,092. Maybe AI is indeed ready to replace humans. Let's make another trade. Third currency pair, boosting our investment to $200 and asking the bot for its forecast. It's suggesting a put option. Not sure this is a smart move right now. Feels kinda risky. But I promise to stick to the bot signals, so I'm investing in a drop. Bad call. Hey, give me my money back. Okay, the bot still has some shots left. Moving on. Next currency pair. I'm asking the bot for a signal. Got it. The AI thinks the chart will dip, and I'm on board with that. So I'm choosing down. Nice. This time the trade was a win. We're not stopping here. Got 2 more trades to make on these bot signals. On to the third pair. Ask the bot for its forecast. It thinks the chart will rise, so I should invest up. Weird choice. All right, let's do this. The bot was wrong. That was a bad call. I'm hoping these signals won't lead me back to the beginning with these signals. Luckily, I didn't invest all my deposit in this trade and stuck to risk management rules. By the way, my Telegram followers and I have 5 golden rules for minimizing risks. If you're curious, check it out on my Telegram channel by following the link. According to the bot, the chart should go up. I agree here. The bot's correct. Very low risk. And that's good. Awesome! This trade turned out profitable. Whew, the bot didn't blow all my money. That's a win. My personal takeaway: don't trust your money to a bot. But what about you? What's your preference? $52 with the bot or $1,380 with me? You know, my friends, I still can't figure out what this bot bases its predictions on. So I'm not ready to recommend any trading bots to you. But here's something I'm ready to recommend. It's my trading education community on Telegram. I've put all my knowledge, experience, and love into it. I'll personally show you how to work the platform, analyze indicators, and share my best strategies with you. No bot can offer you that kind of support. Click the link in the description, subscribe, and DM me. That's all for today. Bye bye.